Art and Craft. Art and Craft shop with arts and there.
Hi friends, I'm Jagan from Rajnoho Arts and Crafts. Today I'm going to show you all about the brand Flash Artist Acrylic Metallic Colors, and this is a multi-surface paint, and this is coming as a jumbo set, that is 25 colors in 50 ml pack it comes. None of the company is coming with this amount of colors with this quantity at a most affordable price. And in this jumbo set there are two types. One is 50 ml and another one is, this one is 25 ml. But both are 25 color set, but the ml, the quantity of paint varies. This small jumbo set, that is 25 ml pack, is 1075, and this one is 2225. Most important thing to be noted is the quantity of the paint in each bottle. I will show you one by one in this video. These are acrylic metallic colors. So these are water based paints used for art, craft, and also in paint works. For exterior works also you can use this. Those who can't afford that jumbo pack, you can buy this 12 color 50 ml pack. This is quite affordable, and these are also coming in two different shades. This one is a basic shade it has, I will open and show you later. Another one is the gold shade it has. So now let me open and show you this 25 color jumbo metallic acrylic paint set, brand Flash. You can see how beautiful these looks, and each and every color are quite brilliant and vivid and applied on any surface. The most important thing is you can use this on multi-surface like canvas board. You can see here this red is looking same like a red, full red, blood red, and this is antique gold. All these colors I have put a color chart in the later end of the video. You can see and order this by just a WhatsApp to my number. So this is a dark green. In my camera it is showing like a peacock green, but this is a dark green and that is a parrot green, and this is the color chart that we have. You can see the green shade when applied on it, how it looks. Why we are calling this as multi-surfaces, you can easily work on canvas board, wood, plywood, iron, ceramic, even bricks, cement wall. Ganesh Chaturthi, they use it on plaster of Paris Ganesha, and they work well on even cloth, fabric, plastic, glass, even glass bottles they have been decorated. There are many videos in YouTube on regarding these Flash paints. Customer review on its quality is humongous in Amazon, Flipkart, on any other social media. You can check it also. So now this is the 25 ml set, and you can buy these 25 ml acrylic metallic paints in individual bottles also. Just WhatsApp me those shades and I will readily dispatch it to your address. For 25 ml it is just 45 rupees. So now you can see how these looks. This is a 50 ml pack and also the 25 ml pack. This is the rose gold. This is somewhat a beautiful gold that I love in this brand. Each and every shade is very unique, and the paint is intermixable also, and the most important thing is they do not peel off. So at this rate, when you are using it for an exterior, at least 5 years, that is under the sun, exterior sun and rain, these paints won't peel off or fade away. And as these are water soluble, these are non-toxic and also highly recommended for kids and also eco-friendly. The dark colors are really vibrant and bright when applied on any surface. These are made in India brand, especially precisely my Madurai Meenakshi's town brand. These colors have given a fantastic results from our students. This is 12 colors 50 ml pack as I showed earlier, and this is 1069 rupees. Two in metallic acrylics. The specialty of this box is that it has the basic shades. That is this green color box. It has the basic shade of all the important colors like dark blue, light blue, dark green, light green, orange, red, pink. These are the important shades used for beginners, and many of the artists, professionals, they use these Flash brand a lot. Here in this paints there are no harmful ingredients added, so there won't be any ashes on skin or any other fumes unlike enamel paint. This box contains all the different type of gold shades. You can see here that this is gold rush, gold paint, and copper, bronze, dark copper, antique gold, all these having the gold family. These paint are quite thick, so you can also directly make as a cone and use it on your canvas board and give some embossed effect. And Flash gold is something special. I will be coming soon with the next video only about the gold paints on Flash. Order these set by just a WhatsApp to my number. These are some of the outcomes that have come from these Flash metallic paints, and these paints are painted on temple statues, that too on exteriors. Every 12 years they renovate the temple. The life of these paints are long lasting for even 7 to 12 years. So you can do these on your canvas boards by palette knife. Everything you can try it, and you will be getting a very good awesome results. So each and every designs and shades that you get from these paints are highly appreciated. Hope you love this video. Waiting for your valuable comments and orders. I have attached the shade card with this video. Just take a screenshot and note down the order and send it in WhatsApp. Like this video